Not bad. Now, make sentences.
London is the capital of Great Britain.
What's up, guys? Let's play a game. I'll tell you 3 facts about me. 2 facts are true and 1 is a lie, not true. You guess which one is not true, okay?
I'm excited to guess.
I'm terrible at driving. I'm not bad at cooking. I'm fantastic at cycling.
Number 1 is not true.
Number 1 is true. I'm a poor driver.
Number 3 then.
That's right. What about you? Write in the comments. Can you find adjectives here?
Adjectives.
That's right. Which of these adjectives is positive?
Fantastic.
Which one is neutral?
Not bad.
Negative?
Terrible, of course.
Perfect. Can you give me your examples of adjectives?
Perfect. Wonderful, fantastic.
Great.
Woohoo!
Those are positive adjectives. Do you know any negative adjectives?
Bad, not great, lousy.
Right. And what about neutral adjectives?
Neutral. Fairly good, all right.
Awesome. Now, rank adjectives from most positive to most negative.
Awful, poor, all right, reasonable, wonderful, perfect.
Great job. Write 3 facts about yourself. 2 true and 1 false.
I'm good at talking. I am terrible at eating chocolate. I'm fantastic at sleeping.
I'm sure you are fantastic at sleeping. I know that you are good at talking. Number 2 is not true.
That's right. I'm pretty good at eating chocolate. I can eat 20 chocolate bars at once.
That's impressive. Now, fill in the gaps.
The food is at Florence has the weather yesterday, this year. Finished!
Great. Now read it, please.
The food is awful at this restaurant. Florence has a fantastic architecture. The weather yesterday was awesome. My neighbor has great taste in music. This year was fabulous.
Excellent. If I'm telling you one of these facts, how can you react? For example, I am not bad at cooking.
Oh, really? Me too. I also cook well.
I'm pretty good at singing jazz. How would you react? What would you say?
I also sing well.
Are you any good at playing the piano? How can you answer this question?
Yeah, not bad. You?
Now, make sentences.
I'm a terrible singer. I'm an okayish cook. I'm a fantastic belly dancer.
Well done. Can you make 3 more sentences?
I sure can. My singing is terrible. My cooking is not bad. My belly dancing is fantastic.
Now, look at these 3 sentences. I'm fairly good at gardening. My gardening is fairly good. I'm a fairly good gardener. What's the difference between these sentences? Is there a difference in meaning?
No.
Is there a difference in form?
Yes.
Let's look at these patterns. Give me your examples.
My mother is fantastic at writing. Jim and Tony are gorgeous at cycling. You are poor at drinking.
Excellent. The second pattern. What pattern do we have here?
Possessive adjectives such as my, his, their, her, our, your, and gerund. Gerund is a verb plus ing, plus the verb to be, and plus adjective.
Right you are. Can you give me some examples?
Examples. Let's see. His singing is alright. Their dancing is awesome. Our speaking is perfect.
Fantastic. And the third pattern. I'm a fairly good gardener.
Okay. Pronoun. I, you, they, we, she, he, plus adjective, plus person with a skill.
Okay. Any examples you can think of?
I'm a great reader. They are quite good drivers. She is a lousy cook.
Awesome. Let's take the quiz.
I'm a terrible programmer. My programming is fantastic. My cycling is terrible. I am not great at playing piano. My singing is terrible. My swimming is wonderful.
Good job, Beverly.
Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button.
I hope, guys, that you're doing great. Take care of yourself and see you in the next video. Bye!
I've been Beverly. You've been awesome. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye! Ну все, оставь ребенка в покое. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Подожди.